It's a fucking hawk just sitting there. Is the damn thing injured or what? Or did he just have a snack? That is fucking bad ass. I've been pretty close to him before, but usually I'm inside something. So the fact that he's just chilled over there makes me think that maybe he's injured. So when I first rolled up, oh, there we go. Maybe he's not as injured. Maybe they're mating. Maybe he's got a kill over there. That's what happened. So weird thing was, I just stopped here. Well, actually, as I came around the corner, I saw him fly out that way, and I thought, hey, that's cool. I always like seeing the raptors doing anything, flying or sitting or whatever. Didn't think anything about it. I pulled up to check out this text, and I'm still texting. How about that? That's so funny. Sorry about that. I just hit record when I noticed the hawk was about 30 feet away from me, just sitting there. I guess I got interrupted him from his meal, but he was bold enough to just fly back down. And I wish I would have been recording. Well, there he goes. So, is that dinner? I don't see anything. Well, he was up higher when I came in, so I don't know what to think. This is the trouble that you have when you have a windshield on your bike. Oh, fuck. I almost went down there. Wow. That was kind of interesting. So I'm probably just wasting my time here. Let's look at all these trees. Yeah, I'm not even going to try it. I really wanted to get over there, up on those piles of dirt, because I think this is the edge of the quarry. I really do. I really think this is the edge of the quarry. And I might just try to go through here. The other thing about windshields is sometimes, when you're not wrapped around with briar, sometimes you can just nail the throttle and get through all the nasty brush. Sometimes you just wrap yourself in, like now I'm just wrapping myself in crap. But sometimes you can just muscle through it, like I'm trying to do here. Muscle through it. And anyway, try that on a street bike, y'all. Funny thing is, I say all that, and I'm about to be taking my big old touring machine out in the woods. I don't think I'm going to try stuff like this. This is probably going to be my limit. I'm going to turn to hills like this and go, I'm smarter than that. I'm smarter than getting myself into something like that. But what's really funny is I just started watching this guy called Million Dollar Bogan on YouTube. Well, you're watching this, so you know it's on YouTube, right? Anyway, it's this Australian dude. And it didn't take me very long to figure out what this guy was all about, but he's so funny. And, he's all personality. He's just on fire all the time. He's just so funny. And immediately, probably halfway through the first video, I'm like, what the hell does this guy do for a living? I'm dying to know. He's in some kind of sales because he's so, I don't want to say flamboyant, that makes him sound gay. I think he's freaking awesome. But he is so far out there. God, I think he's got like 50,000 subscribers. Anyway, maybe the most interesting thing is he started out on YouTube blogging about, I guess, real estate. That was the picture that I picked up pretty quickly. I don't know if this is going to be mushy. How about the deer? I wonder if they just came through here. They could have. I could have just spooked these deer. So this is kind of what I was looking for right here. Oh yeah. I'm going to set up, see if I can get some. Well, that might be better up there. I'm trying to get some time-lapsey kind of stuff. See if anything turns out. Golly, this is so much better than it would have been up there. That's where I was just a few minutes ago. So anyway, Million Dollar Bogan, y'all gotta check this guy out. He's amazing. But not just that, I don't know how. I think he just started on this trip, but he popped up in my feed earlier, and I thought, wow, I think the video was oil's leaking from my headlight. And I was like, well, that's pretty interesting. I didn't know you could do that. So I checked it out, and I was like, oh, that is some dumbass like me taking a big heavy street bike out in the middle of the woods. Perfect. This is perfect. This is my guy. I got to start watching this guy. And I've been watching him ever since, but I think he just started the trip. I'm watching, oh my God, this guy's so awesome. He's got another series of videos where he rides a monkey, like a little 125 monkey. He rides it across the desert in Australia. And, you know, brush, nothing like this, nothing lush, it's desert. So he's riding like a wild man across the desert on a monkey. And I just love this guy. And anyway, hey, there's my hawk, buddy. I think my hawk's maybe following me around. Well, 7 minutes in and you're still watching. Maybe I should be concerned that you're stalking me like this red-tailed hawk was that day. But I've got some more stuff coming up before my trip. I'm still testing my microphone and finding the flaws that are there, testing some gear. I actually put on a rain shell underneath my mesh gear this day, and I'm still trying to figure out what I'm carrying, and so I'm going to be going through some different environments. So anyway. Thanks for watching. Even though you might be a little bit insane, hopefully there'll be something interesting coming up soon.